thanks for the QSO, and yeah, I hope you managed to pick up a few more contacts this afternoon. I'll see some of the trees and go back to...
And I'm located up near Walbury Hill. I wonder what your location is. Go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon, James. Name is Chris is the name. Not a million miles away. I'm near Chiltern Foliot, other side of the valley to you, I suppose. In fact, I probably see Walbury Hill from where I am most. Just out and about this afternoon, and I heard you calling, so I thought I'd give you a shout back.
Roger. Yeah, nice signal anyway, so yeah, bit of height makes all the difference on 2 metres. I take it you're doing the, what was it, the 145, I wrote it down, 145 live this afternoon, yeah, back to you.
That's correct. I'm down in Lower Early actually, so down the bottom of the hill, and at the moment on a Yagi pointing sort of west, what would you say, west-northwest at the moment actually, so I'm guessing you're somewhere up in either North Berkshire or Oxfordshire, but you're coming in 5 and 9, you're coming in at, well, S9 plus 10 at the moment. So back to you, James, M0G.
Name this way is James, Juliet Alpha Mike Echo Sierra, and I am located near the SOTA summit of Walbury Hill, just slightly to the east of the summit in the car park there. Probably your nearest big town will be Hungerford. Go ahead.
Hungerford, okay, yeah, that is a very good copy there. I'm in Purbeck Hills in Dorset, near Warren there, over.
MEL, I think that was, Mike Echo Lima, caught me just as I was reaching for the power button there. Go ahead.
Yeah, sorry, I'm new to this game. I think you're the first one I've actually called out for you. What was the call sign again, that end? I didn't get it.
Okay, well, welcome to the amateur radio fraternity, I guess is the first thing I should say. Call sign is Mike 0 Golf Quebec Charlie, and I'm portable, M0GQC portable, and located near the SOTA summit of Walbury Hill, just slightly to the east of the summit in the...
just walking the dog in the park, and you're actually my first contact ever, so thank you.
Oh, nice. Okay, well that's a bit of an honour. You're not the strongest signal with me. You're about 4 and 2, 42. You must have gone straight through the foundation, straight into the intermediate. Go ahead.
Brilliant. Yes, I passed a year ago, but like pressing the button was the progress. So my name's Kim, and yeah, it's lovely talking. Thank you.
All right, well, nice to have the contact there. Thank you for calling in. I'm getting a bit of interference from, I think someone else has just popped up on the frequency, but lovely to catch you. And my apologies, I didn't catch your name. Go ahead.
It's Kim.
Okay, Kim, well, nice to catch you for the first time, and hopefully it'll be the first of many, and absolute honour to be your first contact there. So with that, I'll wish you 7 threes, and like I say, hope it's the first contact of many. All the best.
Thanks so much. Have a good day, and enjoy walking your dog. Cheers.
It's been a great afternoon, had a lot of fun, absolutely filled my logbook with stations I wouldn't otherwise have worked, ranging all the way from London across to Bristol, so literally across the entire width of the country, and down towards Devon and Dorset sort of area as well. So absolutely brilliant, and even worked a couple of newly licensed stations. 1 or 2 of them even said I was their first contact, which was a great honour, and that's what it's all about. It's getting the new guys on the air and promoting activity on the 2 metre band. So it's been a great afternoon. Full credit to Tim G5TM, and if you're watching, Tim, I know he does watch these videos, thank you very much. Awesome event, can't wait for the next one. Thank you for watching. If you like what I do, please click the thumbs up button. It lets me know that I'm heading in the right direction with the channel and gives me the confidence to keep doing what I'm doing. Don't forget to click the subscribe and also the bell button to be notified when I upload new content. If you don't like what I'm doing, feel free to click the thumbs down button. Just tell me why in the comments below. I welcome your feedback, and constructive criticism will help me to improve the channel. Take care, and I hope you will catch me in the next video.